Hello learners. Now in this section we shall study thymoquinone. Thymoquinone is a phytochemical compound found in the plant Nigella sativa. Nigella sativa seeds are commonly known as black cumin, black caraway, kalonji and black onion seeds and have been used as a spice and a condiment. Nigella sativa seeds are reported to possess antihistaminic, antihypertensive, antimicrobial, anti-tumor, insect repellent and lactogogous effects. For many centuries, seeds of Nigella sativa have been used as a seasoning spice and food additive. The seeds can also flavor curries, pickles and breads in a similar way to cumin or oregano. Nigella sativa seeds contain several bioactive compounds that include thymoquinone, dithymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, thymol, tocopherols, transretinol and selenium, etc. Thymoquinone is the most abundant phenolic compound and this functional ingredient is predominantly present in fixed and essential oils of Nigella seeds. Now let us study chemical structure. Thymoquinone is a monoterpene dication chemically known as 2-isopropyl 5-methyl benzo 1,4-quinone. It is a dark yellow crystalline substance with a boiling point and melting point of 230 to 232 degrees centigrade and 44 to 45 degrees centigrade respectively. Its molecular weight is 164.204 gram per mole. Due to low molecular weight, that is less than 500 gram per mole, and log P less than 5 value, it can penetrate the blood-brain barrier. Thus, it might be suitable for clinical trials. This is a structure of thymoquinone and the chemical formula is C10H22O2. Structurally, it is similar to coenzyme Q, which is an important antioxidant of the electron transport system. Now coming down to bioavailability. Thymoquinone is a sparingly water soluble bioactive compound which shows poor bioavailability upon oral administration. It is hydrophobic with low bioavailability and is sensitive to environmental factors such as light and temperature. Thymoquinone shows enhanced bioavailability, stability and functionality when encapsulated in a nanoliposomal systems. Nanoliposomes are one of the most efficient methods of drug delivery to tumors. Now coming down to physiological effects. Thymoquinone is a phytochemical with proven analgesic, immune boosting and anti-cancer properties. Nigella sativa seed extract, fixed oil and essential oil showed a wide spectrum of favorable biological activities, the most prominent being antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, hepatoprotective, anti-mutagenic and anti-tumor activity. Now we shall study this bioactivity one by one. Now first is antioxidant. Thymoquinone acts as a general free radical scavengers. Oral dose of thymoquinone inhibits lipid peroxidation, increased mucosal reduced glutathione and superoxide dismutase. Now second is antibacterial. Thymoquinone found to have high activity against gram-positive microorganisms including Staphylococcus aureus. Diethyl ether extract of Nigella sativa was reported to possess concentration dependent inhibitory effect on gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. It also has synergistic effect with streptomycin and gentamicin. and successfully eradicated a non-fatal subcutaneous staphylococcus infection. Now next is antiviral. Nigella sativa extract may enhance helper T cell T4 and suppressor T cell, that is T8 ratio, and increase natural killer, that is NK cell activity. Besides improvement in immunity, Nigella sativa extract has some inhibitory effects on human immune deficiency virus protease. Now antifungal. The ether extract of Nigella sativa may inhibit the growth of Candida yeasts. Thymoquinone inhibits in vitro Aspergillus niger and Fusarium solani, and the activity was comparable to amphotericin B. Thymoquinone demonstrates antifungal effect against many clinical isolates including dermatophytes, molds and yeasts at a concentration of 1 mg per ml. Antiparasitic. Nigella sativa seed can show strong biocidal activity against all stages of the parasite as well as an inhibitory effect on egg laying of adult female worms, indicating an anti-cytostomal potential of Nigella sativa. Wound healing. Nigella sativa seed and its oil promote wound healing, reducing total and absolute differential white blood corpuscles counts, local infection and inflammation, bacterial expansion and tissue impairment. Aqueous extract of Nigella sativa possesses low free radical scavenging activity and induce gingival fibroblast proliferation with accelerated wound closure activity. Now anti-cancer. Thymoquinone in black seed oil can influence programmed cell death or apoptosis in several types of cancer cells. These include brain cancer, leukemia and breast cancer cells. Nigella sativa is very commonly used by cancer patients as dietary supplements in complementary and alternative medicine along with chemotherapy. Now benefits for weight loss. Black seed supplementation can help lower people's body mass index BMI. Supplementation with Nigella sativa exerts a moderate effect on reduction in body weight, body mass index and waist circumference. Taking this supplement has no side effect. Nigella sativa shows a significant weight loss and reduced waist circumference with a mild reduction in fasting blood sugar, triglycerides and low density lipoprotein levels. Thus, black seed oil could be effective in tackling obesity. Now benefits for skin. Black seed oil may be beneficial for skin conditions. For example, black seed oil can reduce the severity of hand eczema. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects of black seed oil can treat acne. The oil may also have anti-psoriatic benefits. Black seed oil may also hydrate hair, soften skin and act as a moisturizer. Now liver and kidney function. Thymoquinone may reduce liver and kidney disease complications and improve the organ structures. Thymoquinone protects liver from injury via different mechanisms including inhibition of iron dependent lipid peroxidation, elevation in total thiol content and glutathione level, radical scavenging, increasing the activity of quinone reductase, catalase, superoxide dismutase and glutathione transferase, inhibition of nuclear factor kappa B activity, and inhibition of both cyclooxygenase and lipooxygenase. Now, let us see the role of thymoquinone in diabetes. Nigella sativa seeds possess anti-diabetic activity, which at least partly is mediated by stimulated glucose-induced insulin release from beta cells, reduced gluconeogenesis in liver, antioxidant activity, and reduced glucose absorption from intestine. Black seed oil may have anti-diabetic properties and improve blood sugar levels. Now, next is infertility. Thymoquinone can improve sperm movement and increase sperm count and semen volume. With topical use, black seed oil can cause an allergic rash in some people. Therefore, it is vital to test it on a small patch of skin first to ensure that it does not trigger a reaction. Now, it has some toxicity effects too. Now, let us see what are they. Thymoquinone, that is loaded in nanostructured lipid carrier, that is NLC, is less toxic than pure thymoquinone. Encapsulation of thymoquinone in lipid carrier minimizes the toxicity of the compound. Long-term consumption of TQ-NLC and TQ consumption of may cause toxicity to the liver, but not to the extent of altering the functions of the organ. Thymoquinone should be kept away from the eyes, nostrils, and other sensitive body parts. Swallowing black seed oil can sometimes lead to digestive problems such as stomach upset, constipation, and vomiting. Now, let us summarize. Thymoquinone is a phytochemical compound found in the plant Nigella sativa, which is an annual herbaceous plant native to and cultivated in Southwest Asia and cultivated and naturalized in Europe and North Africa. Its chemical formula is C10H12O2. Thymoquinone is a phytochemical with proven analgesic, immune boosting and anti-cancer properties. However, thymoquinone is hydrophobic with low bioavailability and is sensitive to environmental factors such as light and temperature. Thymoquinone shows enhanced bioavailability, stability and functionality when encapsulated in a nanoliposomal system. The major health benefits of thymoquinone are antibacterial, antioxidant, antifungal, antiviral, anti-cancer, and it is beneficial for weight loss and skin health issues. Thymoquinone possesses anti-diabetic activity and can improve sperm count. Thank you.